waste management, I have instructed for a concerted interdepartmental approach to help address the solid waste management in our towns, including Ngembo. The ISO at Nyambera dam site has been handled. We intend to turn it into a recreational park. Balimwangu etabusongari Nyambera munye manyete. Asobo chabu alenge. Nyasaye nomya. Mheshimiwa Jhanda, my brother come. Mbrono montomya. And I want to state it. Mongwano oyo. Imagine agwati chieka ivere. Alietisi. Ekerotna chobi sina mulinga kumheshimiwa. Nganchere osobanje kwao. Tohe chieke chivere. Torosi abantu andenga ene constituency yani. He surrendered 2 acres of land at ATC. It is close to 40 million. Actually close to 50 million. He surrendered to the community. Now, Zaheer will stand with you, my brother, as long as we are giving service to our people. Thank you.